If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay students, welcome you all in lecture 5 of this GATE Engineering Math Differential Equation series. So today I have taken again 3 questions, question number 13, 14, 15. Question based on 13 is causal LTI system. Causal LTI means all your initial conditions will be 0, you can assume it, we will see it. Question number 13, 14 and 15. Okay then, and let's solve it, and this is all I have in differential equation right now. If I have new questions, then I will add it as a extra lecture 6 in this playlist. Okay then, let's solve. They have given this differential equation. Consider a causal LTI characteristics by differential equation this, and the response of the system to the input this. So causal system means all the initial conditions prior to 0 will be negligible, 0. So the initial condition, that means all are 0. So you can directly put the Laplace here. So if you put Laplace, that will be S y s. Initial condition is 0. So 1 by y, 6y, and then 3x. So you can find y is equal to s plus 1 by 6. And what is 3x? Because x they have given. So you cannot keep x in time domain. You have already changed in Laplace. So your x should also be replaced by, because you are putting this x some signal. So you have to take Laplace of that one also. So it is 3 divided by s plus 1 by 3. So if you do this one, it is 9 divided by s plus 1 by 6 and s plus 1 by 3. So if you take 9 outside, I think you can do now partial fraction. Then I am not putting plus or minus because I will be doing partial fraction inside. You put it there, or let me do it here. So if it is a, so numerator is this much, I will not write this one, so it will be 1 by s plus 3. I will put s plus 1 by 6 equal to 0. That means 1 by, in place of s I will put minus 1 by 6. So it will be 6 upside minus 2 plus minus 1 plus 2. So it will be 6. A is equal to 6. Similarly, if you put b, you will not write the b, you will write the a, s plus 3 will not write. We will put s plus 3 equal to 0. And if you put it, you will find minus 6. How does your y will look like? It will look like 54, 6 into 9, 6, that is 6 into 9. So it is 6 by this, and it is minus 6 by this. So I put in 6 and minus 6. So 54 by s plus 1 by 6 minus 54 by s plus 1 by 3. So now if you take Laplace inverse, so your yt will be equal to 54 e to the power minus 1 by 6 t minus 54 e to the power minus 1 by 3 t. You can put ut is 1, Laplace of ut is 1, Laplace inverse of 1 is ut, because your history starts from, all your calculations start from 0. Ut is a unit step function, it starts from 0. So because there is no history, it is causal system. Both the initial conditions are again given. Y0 equal to 0, y dash 0 is equal to also given 1. So you can directly write the Laplace. So you can write, if I write the Laplace here, I am writing directly s square plus 2s plus 1 is equal to 1. Now by now you have already known. So again, if I want to show it, it will be s square y minus s into 0 minus 1 plus 2 sy minus 0 plus y. So you can think is equal to 0. 1, this is 0. So if you put it there, from here it will come. If you take s square common, s square plus 2s plus 1, and this one I have taken that side. That's it. So you can, by seeing differential also, equation also, if you practice, you can directly write the Laplace. So if it is 1 by, now it will be s plus 1 whole square. Now you know what is the Laplace inverse of s plus 1 whole square. So how s plus 1 come? You just think first s plus 1. It is e to the power minus t. Because you have done a differentiation, that's why you have to multiply with the t. I think that is option A. Directly they have given, and you can use e to the power t. Okay, this is option A. So you will find it in option A. Ut you can put again. There is no harm because Laplace of ut is 1. So the last one is 15. So in the 15 number question, what they have asked you, this is given y0 equal to 1 and y1 is given 3 by e, or 3 to the, again you see this is not your original, it is not y dash 1, you don't get confused. So it is not initial condition, so you cannot go by the Laplace. So what you have to do, we have to do our normal differential equation solution. So we will write the auxiliary equation in terms of m. It will be m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. If you solve it, you will find m is equal to minus 1 minus 1. So what is the solution for this one? solution was c1 t c2, because here it is t is the variable, and e to the power minus t. You can see c1 plus x c2 e to the power minus mx it was mx, so m was here minus 1, so you can put it there. Now you can put the initial conditions. Why? To find c1 and c2. If t is equal to 0, then your y is equal to 1. So if you put it, so if it is, that means c1 is directly 0. If it is 0, then it is 0, e to the power 0 is 1. So it is c1 only. So c1 is 1. And the second condition is y1 is equal to 3 by e. That means y is equal to 3 by e if t is equal to 1. So c1 is already 1, and t is equal to 1, and c2 e to the power minus 1. So e to the power minus, it is 3 by e. So e will get cancelled, so you will find c2 is equal to 2. So your final solution y is equal to 1 plus 2t e to the power minus t. So once you know this one, they have asked you, I think, to find what is the value of y2. They have asked you to find what is y2. Y2 means at t equal to 2, what is the value of y. So the symbol of this means this one. So by now you already know this one. So if what is y you will calculate at t equal to 2. 1 plus 2 into 2 e to the power minus 2, that is 5 e to the power minus 2. I think this is in option B. Okay, then that's all for today. If you liked the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.